The RT Rev. Peter Eves Sutton CBE OStJ. The 7th of June 1923 to 23 March 2013. Was a New Zealand Anglican church leader. He served as the 8th Bishop of Nelson from 1965 until 1990. Biography. Born in Wellington in 1923. Sutton was educated at Nelson College from 1938 to 1940. He then studied at Canterbury University College, graduating with a Master of Arts degree in 1947. At Canterbury, Sutton won a University Blue for golf and served as president of the Student Union. Ordained in 1947. He began his career with curacies at Wanganui, St John the Evangelist, Bethnal Green, and Bishop's Hatfield. He was then vicar of St Cuthbert's, Berhampore, 1952–58, and Whangarei, 1958–64. He was Archdeacon of Waimate from 1962 to 1964 and then Dean of St. Paul's Cathedral, Dunedin. In 1965 he was elevated to the episcopate as the 8th Bishop of Nelson and served in that role for 25 years. As bishop, Sutton was ex officio a member of the Cawthron Institute Trust Board and was its chairman for 10 years. He was an outspoken opponent of apartheid in South Africa and led a protest march in Nelson during the 1981 Springbok Tour. In 1985 Sutton was appointed an officer of the Order of St John. Following his retirement as Bishop of Nelson, he was appointed a Commander of the Order of the British Empire in the 1990 Queen's Birthday honours. Sutton died in Nelson in 2013. Following his funeral service at Christ Church Cathedral, Nelson, he was buried in Marsden Valley Cemetery, Stoke. New Bishop for Nelson. Nelson Photo News. No. 59. The 18th of September 1965.